automating your daily floor care routine without wrestling with tangled hairbrushes. Manual mop washing or frustrating missed corners usually means stepping up to an advanced robotic cleaning ecosystem. The Roborock Qrevo S5V robot vacuum and mop redefines hands-free home maintenance by combining massive suction power, an intelligent extendable edge mopping arm, and a fully automated maintenance dock into a versatile, high-performance package. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its 12,000 pascals Hyperforce suction paired with an advanced triple anti-tangle system. Instead of struggling with pet hair and long strands wrapping tightly around the roller brush, requiring tedious manual cutting and cleaning, the Qrevo S5V utilizes a specialized duo-divide main brush and side brush architecture certified to achieve a 100% hair removal and 0% tangling rate across all floor types. This is backed by brute force extraction power capable of lifting deeply embedded dirt and debris from hard floor crevices and carpets alike. Performance and everyday versatility streamline whole home cleaning with minimal human intervention. For hard floors, it features dual spinning mops rotating at up to 200 revolutions per minute, complemented by the intelligent FlexiArm Edge Mopping System that automatically extends the mop pad outward to scrub deep into corners and around furniture legs. When transitioning to carpets, the smart 10mm mopping module lifting mechanism elevates the mops completely to prevent cross-contamination or dampening. Navigation and hazard detection are powered by precise sense LiDAR mapping combined with reactive tech structured light obstacle avoidance, allowing the robot to seamlessly steer clear of stray shoes, cords, and toys. True hands-free freedom is anchored by the multifunctional dock, which automatically empties the dustbin, holding up to 7 weeks of debris, washes the mops using washing machine-inspired cycles, and finishes with warm air drying to prevent mold and unpleasant odors. Things to consider before you buy, because the Qrevo S5V relies on an all-in-one docking station that handles self-emptying, washing, and drying. You will need to allocate adequate floor space near an electrical outlet and ensure clearance for the station. Additionally, while its 10mm mop lift is ideal for short-pile rugs, homes with exceptionally thick, high-pile carpets may require setting strict no-mop zones via the app. So who is this really for? This robotic vacuum and mop is an absolute home run for pet owners, busy families, and multi-surface homeowners who want an entirely automated cleaning routine that handles both heavy-duty vacuuming and rigorous floor scrubbing with virtually zero daily maintenance. If you are looking for a simple, budget-friendly manual stick vacuum or a basic robotic cleaner that still requires you to hand-wash dirty mopping pads after every cycle, this advanced self-cleaning powerhouse is built to do it all for you. Is it worth the money? If you value true hands-free ownership via self-washing, warm air drying, and self-emptying dock, extreme 12,000 pascal suction power, tangle-free brush technology, and edge-reaching flexible mops, it is a premier, life-changing investment for keeping your floors pristine effortlessly.